So what makes successful block of lines? There's two key components to me. There's planning, and for our major block of lines, which is Christmas, Easter's, we start the planning for those 52 weeks in advance, and then we have a series of step meetings, so what we call the T- process, which is T-6 months, T-4 months, T-2 months, and that helps to make sure that the work is planned efficiently and allows us to deliver successfully. There's a lot of different components that make a block of lines successful, and that's the integration of the signals crew, the overhead crew, the track crew, as well as the downer crews as well. So all of that takes a lot of planning, and inevitably we get it right and it delivers a successful block. So I spent the last 2 years dedicated to the Wirral to Key Park project. I led the bid right the way through, and now I have the privilege of leading the construction. And the way that the team has grown over those 2 years to now become a trusted partner of our key client, Kiwi Rail, it's really impressive to see. Leaves me feeling proud every day. The rail team at Downer, what makes us great is a dedicated bunch of rail professionals. They're determined to get the job done and they're safety focused. What I enjoy most about working with Downer, at the end of the day, looking out what we've achieved and seeing what we've accomplished, it's a great feeling. If I was a Thomas the Tank Engine character, I'm sure the guys on site would tell you I would be the Fat Controller.